Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I am here with a big update regarding the arcade program, and that is our arcade insider progress report are here. हमारी जो भी progress report थी जनवरी मंथ की arcade program में वो आ चुकी है, and you can access the mail from your arcade primary inbox or the mail primary inbox. Okay, जो भी आपका email ID का inbox है उसमें जाके आप ये arcade insider mail check कर सकते हैं. And don't worry अगर ये primary box में आपको visible नहीं है, because you have to also check your spam folder or social or the promotion bin. आपके spam folder में social में या promotion में भी आ सकता है, so you have to check these folder as well. Once you are able to access this, I am here to discuss all the important updates we are getting through this mail. जितनी भी इसमें चीज़ें बताई गई हैं वो मैं यहाँ पर सब कवर करूँगा, and you are getting the no cost 100 credits for the cloud skill boost profile as well, ताकि आप अपने skill batches complete कर सको. So what are that, how you can access that, वो सब मैं इसमें डिटेल कर रहा हूँ, डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. So जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल the biggest update is here regarding your total arcade points that you earned so far. आपने जनवरी मंथ में, in the January month, whichever you arcade points you earn are given here. So in my case I earned only 2 arcade points with this ID in the Jan month. Keep this in your mind that this report consists all the details from January 6 to the January 31st 2025. यानी कि आपने जितने भी arcade points January 6 से 31st के बीच में अर्न किए हैं, only those are present here. So don't get confused कि मैंने तो ज़्यादा अर्न कर लिए हैं, मेरे यहाँ पर कम पॉइंट्स दिखाए जा रहे हैं. नहीं, वो ऐसा है इसलिए है क्योंकि आपने जनवरी 6 से जनवरी 31st के बीच में जो आर्केड पॉइंट्स अर्न किए हैं, ओनली दोज आर विजिबल हेयर. ओके, सो यू हैव टू कीप दिस थिंग इन द माइंड एंड नथिंग टू बी वरीड अबाउट, बिकॉज योर फेब्रुवरी मंथ आर्केड पॉइंट्स आर नॉट विजिबल हेयर. ओके, and coming to the next thing, what's new this February? So all the important challenges going on the arcade February month are listed here, like the base camp, all the levels and the trivias. After that comes the main focus thing, that is you are getting a no cost 100 credits in your skill boost account, and that would be claimed using this unique code given to you. You don't have to share this code with anyone before claiming it, because आपको इससे 100 नो कॉस्ट क्रेडिट आपके प्रोफाइल में मिल रहे होंगे. सो हाउ यू कैन यूज दिस? सो आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वॉच दिस वीडियो वेरी केयरफुली फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. आपको बहुत ध्यान से देखना है, अदरवाइज आप अपने 100 क्रेडिट्स जो है वो लॉस कर दोगे. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉपी दिस होल कोड, कॉपी इट वेरी केयरफुली. Starting from here, you have to copy it, then you have to scroll down and right click upon this button. Okay, you have to right click upon this button and have to open this in incognito window only. Okay, incognito window में ही open करना है, and then it will ask you for the referral code or the code that we just copy. So you have to paste that code here and click on I am not a robot and verify the captcha. So let me quickly verify the captcha here. Verify it. Okay, then click on submit button. Then you have to log in with the ID in which you want to participate, with which you want in which you want the credits actually. So जिसमें भी आप credits चाहते हैं उसके साथ आपको sign in करना है. So let me sign in. I will suggest you to please manually sign in instead of using the sign in with Google button. After that, once you sign in, you have to click on your profile and go to the settings. Go to the settings tab, go to the subscription and credits, and in the subscription and credit you will see that instantly you get the 9 credits. These are the 9 free cost credits that are mentioned in the mail as well, that once you paste this code after signing you will get the 9 credits. Now it's time to claim your remaining 91 credits. How you can do this? For that, come back to the tab, click on back button, click on back button again, scroll down, and you have to join this game. So click on this again, you have to give the access code. So access code is given on the official website of the arcade. So for that you need to go to the website. I will give the link of this website in the description box. You have to scroll down. You have to scroll down on this page. Taking a little bit time to get load. Yes. And from the week 2 of the trivia you have to copy its access code. Copy it, come back to here, paste it here, and click on join button. Okay, after that you have to complete any one lab from the given 4 labs to get the remaining 91 credits. आपको इसमें से कोई भी एक लैब कंप्लीट करनी है ताकि आपको remaining 91 credits मिल जाए. So don't worry, I will provide you the solution. Let's quickly go with the first lab, the Google Drive. Getting started. Open it, or we can choose any other lab. Just wait a second. Let's go with the second lab, API Explorer Cloud Storage. So we need to open this. It would be an easy lab, that's why I am suggesting this one. Open this lab, click on start lab button, and wait for the credentials to be loaded up. It's required to complete this lab, only that you would be getting remaining 91 credits. Otherwise आपको remaining 91 credits नहीं मिलेंगे. तो आपको इस lab को बहुत ध्यान से complete करना है. Okay. Once you get the credentials, you have to copy this password. Then you have to right click upon this open Google Cloud Console and open it in new window or new tab. I will prefer you to open it in the new tab. Then click on next button and paste the password that we just copied and click on next button. Now click on the I understand button and you get logged in into the Google Cloud Console. Now here in many cases you may see a pop-up of terms and condition. Dashboard पे आपको एक pop-up दिख सकता है terms and condition का. अगर वो visible हो then you have to accept that and click on agree and continue button. Otherwise you can simply click on activate cloud shell button. अगर आपको pop-up आता है तो आपको वो accept कर लेना है, नहीं तो आप direct continue कर सकते हो. So for that click on activate cloud shell button. Wait for it to stabilize the connection and click on continue. And now while it's loading, simply come back to the lab and go to the description of the video. In the description you will find the link of this GitHub file. आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाना है, वहाँ पे आपको एक GitHub file मिलेगी. This GitHub file is required to complete the lab as quickly as possible. So you have to come to this, click on copy raw file button and you have to go to the lab and click on got it. Now your terminal is active. So you have to paste the code that we just copied and hit enter button. जो हमने code copy किया था वो paste करेंगे. Click on authorize button and wait for this command to get executed. As soon as this command is executed, our lab would be finished. तो आपको जैसे यह command execute हो जाएगा, आपकी lab भी finish हो जाएगी. So wait for it to get executed. In that time, what you can do, go to the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so you won't be missing any upcoming video information. जो भी ऐसी informations आती हैं, मैं time to time आपको video के through update करता रहता हूँ. So I will suggest you to please subscribe. You can see in that time हमारा जो command है वो भी execute हो चुका है. So we can come back to the lab, click on the task number 1 from the right panel, scroll down and we will get the green tick for all the check my progress. It's important to get the green tick. So once you get the green tick, scroll down, click on the other one, you will get the green tick here as well. Scroll down, keep scrolling, click on this check my progress, you will get the green tick here. Scroll down, same for the other task, click on this check my progress. Assessment completed, same for the other. Keep scrolling. You don't have to submit this. ये आपको submit नहीं करना है. Just simply focus on the check my progress button. So we get the green tick for all the check my progress. जितने भी check my progress थे उन सब पे हमें green tick मिल चुका है. It means our lab is completed. So congratulations. Now you can wait for the 5 minutes in this lab. हमारी lab जो है वो 45 पे start हुई थी. So we will wait till the timer pass 40 है. जैसे हमारे lab में 5 minutes ज़्यादा spend हो जाएंगे, then we will click on the end lab button. तब तक आपको इसको end नहीं करना. It's just for the security purpose. हो सकता है कि अगर आप जल्दी end कर दो तो आपको credits नहीं मिले. So I will suggest you to please wait in this lab for 5 minutes. After that we will end this lab. So just wait for 5 minutes. So as you can see, we spent more than 5 minutes in this lab. So now we can end the lab. Okay. So just come to here and click on the end lab button and click on end lab button once again. Give the star rating that you want to give and click on submit button. Now come back to main page, click on the back button, scroll down and make sure you get the green tick beside this lab. Now you have to click on this profile and click on active settings, go to subscription credits, scroll down and you will see that instantly you get the 91 credits in your account. And don't worry if it's not visible here, you have to simply refresh and wait for the 1 to 2 minutes till you receive this 91 credits. And as soon as you get the credit, it's your responsibility now to hit the like button to the video, because I was successfully able to guide you till to claim your no cost 100 credits. Okay, so I already covered all the details given in this Arcade Insider mail, and yes, it was a beneficial mail for us. So I hope you get all the insight from this, and if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Goodbye.